This is the Mongoose Mode 540. Bought it the other day. For 150. It's a pretty good bike. Beginners, you know. I can 180, tire tap, toboggan, techno-hander. Yeah, out of a quarter pipe, grind and stuff. Yesterday I was messing around, went to go get it out of the garage, and it hit my brother's truck frame, popped the tire, put a hole in the tread, so I gotta buy a new one. Came with a kickstand, took it off, a little chain guard, took it off. It came with black grips. I really didn't like them, so I got red. Comes with a single brake. Took all the stickers off. I'm getting some stickers here pretty soon. I'm going to start putting on them. 2.3 tires, but they're not like, if you BMX, you know at 2.3 you're expecting pretty big, but nah, they're not that big. Mongoose seat post and combo. Seat post, seat combo. Nice 25:9 ratio. Pretty light. People have been saying it's like 27 pounds. Yeah. Comes with these little, come here. Comes with these little nuts on the end right here. Like as a safety thing. I don't know if you like put a peg on and then screw those only for safety, or I don't know. And then I bent the back rim, but yeah, that was pretty loud. Yeah, listen to it. Pretty loud. All in all, it's a really good bike, 20-inch. Got it from Walmart thinking, you know, I just need a bike real fast, and $150 from Walmart. I was thinking it's gonna be cruddy and everything, but so far it's pretty much pretty good. Oh, come here. The headset and handlebar clamp right here. I had to change the front piece out because when they painted it, I don't know if it was just mine, they painted the inside, so every time I went to go techno-hander, I'd land like that and it'd slip and the handlebars would end up going back, and I tightened it like 20 times, but I never did it, so I just put a Haro front piece on. It's pretty good. Yeah. All in all, it's a really good bike. Comes with red wall treads. Comes with red wall treads, and the seat has a little bit of red on there. So I like the whole black and red thing. I'm probably gonna buy the red plastic pegs. Why do you keep moving?
Because the whole thing.
Just stand still. I'm probably gonna buy some plastic pegs, the plastic ones from Walmart. Oh, it's got 3-piece cranks, but they're tubular, and pretty good bike. Nice. It has metal pedals, and so the only thing that was wrong with it basically was the headset. It's really all you need to get changed. After a while, you're gonna have to tighten your back brake. I gotta tighten mine once I get my front tire. Probably gonna go get it here this weekend so I can start riding. So, yep, this is my first bike check. Every time I add something new, I'll just add it and comment and subscribe. I'll be having a whole lot of videos of me riding, and I'll have some how-tos and everything, so.
Monster stickers.